what does India bring to you? India brings to you the support of production.
Yeah.
We have karigars all around.
Immense talent.
Immense talent.
Yeah.
You know, in any part of the world, when you call yourself a jewelry designer, you also have to make your own jewelry. If you can't make your jewelry, then you come running to India or to China or any other part of the world. But you still have a lot of prominent conceptual designers who still work in creating jewelry because
Right.
they don't have support of this. In India, you have the support of karigars, you have your production facilities, you have everything. And since we've always created for the West, our production capabilities are bang on. We didn't know packaging and branding and design. I think we've learned that, and suddenly that's why you have a lot of aggregators, a lot of exporters who are now moonlighting as jewelry brands because they already have access to that. They're just packaging and repackaging.
मैंने भी नोटिस किया है कि जो पहले सब लोग एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे थे टू ऑल दीज यूएस ब्रांड्स बिकॉज आई आल्सो वर्क विद दैट सेगमेंट अब उन सबका एक डायरेक्शन आ गया कि एक इंडियन ब्रांड भी हमें बनाना है बिकॉज दे हैव द एक्सपर्टीज दे नो द डिजाइन प्रोसेस दे नो
And with the kind of tariffs that are being currently imposed, and with the kind of local consumption that's exploding, I mean, it's the best time to be in India, to be a brand operating out of India and catering to the Indian audience because it's only the beginning of everything. And jewelry is here to stay. Fashion jewelry is here to stay. And if you look at the global numbers, it's crazy. It's only exploding. Having said that, if one thing that I can tell the kids is don't blindly follow trends. Don't jump into it because others are doing. Find your voice. Build your community. Even in online space, online is a very crowded space. You will only survive and thrive. Bases the community, bases the voice, bases the story that you break out. And we are very quick to gauge who is real, who's fake. You know, you can buy something and say, oh, I love this brand. And next thing you know, the same piece is selling in another platform for 1/4 the price. You'll never be able to go back to that platform. So create products which are here to stay because that's the only way you'll be able to break the clutter.
Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, BS Miss India Clips.